Greetings. I want to tell you why pineapple is not safe in pregnancy. Yes, the reason pineapple is not safe in pregnancy. This is it. Pineapple contains a chemical called bromelain. Bromelain. So you know what this bromelain does? Bromelain causes cervical ripening, right? It causes cervical ripening. That means it ripens the cervix and it can cause uterine contraction. That is why it is a side effect of that pineapple. That is why you will see that some authors, some researchers will tell you that pineapple should not be taken by women that are not close to labor, especially women in their first trimester, second trimester, and even third trimester. Pineapple should not be taken by such category of women. You know why? Pineapple can cause cervical ripening and uterine contraction. That bromelain in pineapple. What that means is that some pregnant women now, in some cultures, have taken advantage of this side effect of pineapple to be using it for cervical ripening. Women in their 40th weeks, 39 weeks, 38 weeks, have been seen to be taking pineapple juice because they want to induce labor. That's why you will check. If you check some books, if you Google some things about pineapple, they will tell you that pineapple is used for cervical ripening and induction of labor. Natural induction of labor. Yes, that is true. Pineapple can be used for the natural induction of labor. Now, this is why I don't recommend pregnant women taking pineapple. The reason is that you don't really know how old your pregnancy is. Some of you got pregnant. You don't know how you got pregnant. That is, of course, you know how you got pregnant now. Make what happened. What I mean is that you don't know your last menstrual period. You just found out that you were pregnant. So you don't really know how old your pregnancy is. Scan is even, all those gestational age that is in scan is estimated. Even when you know your last menstrual period, when they calculate your expected date of delivery for you, it's also estimated. That means it's not exact. It is plus or minus 2 weeks. What that means is that you are not really aware of when you took in. You cannot be seen taking pineapple because so that you not go and induce labor when the baby is premature, when the pregnancy has not gotten to 37 or 38 weeks. So that you will not go and induce labor at 34 weeks thinking that you have gotten to 38 weeks or 37 weeks. That is why you see many doctors will advise you against taking pineapple. Right? That's why. But for women that are so sure of when they took in and the rest, yes, they go ahead and take pineapple juice for cervical ripening. For natural cervical ripening. Just the same way some women go ahead to take castor oil, which I also do not advise. So that is why I preach against the taking. This is the reason I preach against the taking of pineapple, because it causes cervical ripening. You may go and ripen your cervix and find out that you go and give birth to a premature. That's why I always advise. Some women will message me and say, "Doctor, I'm 40 weeks, no sign of labor." I'll say, patience. It is plus or minus 2 weeks. Patience. A week is something in a baby's life, because a week is something in a child's life. Because the lungs, the organs of the baby need to mature before the baby comes out. And most of us are not really sure of when we took in as pregnant women. So if most pregnant women are not sure of when they took in, then why be in a hurry? Just wait for the natural process to happen so that you deliver on your own. You deliver when it is due. When nature says yes, it is actually due. Don't start inducing your labor, ripening your cervix with pineapple. Bromelain in pineapple, yes, can cause cervical ripening, and it can cause miscarriage, especially if you take it early on in pregnancy, early on, first, second trimester, and early third trimester. The reasons pineapple, many doctors also preach against Zobo, taking Zobo in pregnancy, is that some people add pineapple juice to Zobo before taking it. Most of the Zobo that you see, some of the Zobo are prepared with pineapple juice. So the same way, some of the Zobo you see, they add ginger to it. So it can cause miscarriage. So that's it, nothing more. No he feeling, no nothing. No. Thank you and bye-bye. You have any question, please follow this page and share this video. Thank you and bye-bye.